wanted to take a minute and show you this 2020 Chevrolet Malibu. It is a 4-cylinder with the 1.5 liter engine. It's been fully serviced and checked out and everything is good to go. This Malibu does qualify for guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. And we also offer complimentary Carfax reports available here at the dealership or online through our website. It does have alloy wheels, and the tire size is 16 inches. And you also have blind spot monitors in the mirror there. The interior is cloth and the driver's seat is power. And it currently has 63,000 miles. Your steering wheel has your Bluetooth, cruise control, and audio controls. You also have forward collision alert and your lane departure controls. And your radio screen is there. That's also where your backup camera will display. And it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. It is push button start. And then below you have your climate controls. And it is an automatic transmission and cup holders there. And the back seat can seat up to 3 people. And everything is in very good condition. And the trunk area is very spacious for the size of the vehicle. If you need additional room, you can lay down the back seats, trying to help with that glare a little bit there. And you also have parking sensors in the rear bumper as well. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come in and take a closer look or test drive, you can call us at 336-270-5104, or you can visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.